Do you have any website and you want to make money from it? In this video, I am going to tell you top 5 ways to make money from a website. Like and save this video right now so that you will not forget these helpful tips. And don't forget to follow us right now. Number 1, advertising. One of the most common ways to make money from a website is by displaying advertisements. You can use advertising networks like Google AdSense and Media.net to display ads on your website and earn money based on clicks or impressions. You can also sell ad space directly to your brands or businesses that want to reach your audience. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Similar to Instagram, affiliate marketing can also be a great way to monetize a website. You can promote products or services on your website and earn a commission on any sales that results from your promotion. Many websites use affiliate marketing to promote products through product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Number 3, sponsored content. If you have a loyal following or a strong personal brand, you can earn money by creating sponsored content. Brand may pay you to create blog posts, videos, or other content that promotes their product or services. Sponsored content can be a great way to monetize your website while staying true to your value and interests. Number 4, online courses. If you have expertise or knowledge to share, you can create and sell online courses through your website. Online courses can be a great way to monetize your website while providing value to your audience. You can use platforms like Teachable or Kajabi to create and sell your courses. Number 5, e-commerce. If you have a product to sell, you can create an e-commerce store on your website and sell products directly to your audience. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your store and manage orders and inventory. E-commerce can be a great way to monetize your website while offering value to your audience. Wait, if you still haven't liked this video, like, comment and share this video right now. Follow and visit kulfi.com for more such information videos. Thank you for watching this video.